All right, traders, Mike here with the watch list for May 10th, Wednesday. Look at this candle on the spot. Let me zoom in. I mean, yesterday and today, extremely narrow ranges. It feels like the market's waiting for something. Somebody said CPI is tomorrow. Maybe the market's on hold for that. I'm not really sure, but it's really dead. And look at that volume the last couple of days. Crazy, right? So we'll see. Feels like summer trading already. Let me give a hat tip to Matt D again. He's always making this highlight list. Gave Carvana CVNA second mouse through 12, which is right here. There's the first break of 12. It was curling back up. It's a recently in play stock. A lot of shorts in the name. Whole number inflection point back through 12. The stop was like 15 cents below that didn't get hit, and it went to 13.28. Pretty neat call again by Matt D. Nice job there, Matt. And I'm going to go right into what we're watching for tomorrow. Let me say this right. LGVN, big volume today, closing well off its highs. Going to give that one a watch. Kind of a squinky trader, so be careful with it. YMAB kind of broke out today. We'll see if it gets any kind of follow-through setup. You guys know I'm in cash every night, so these are stocks that may give me a trade tomorrow between the bells. VYGR, big breakout today, closing a little bit off its highs, but I believe that was on earnings. We're going to watch that one. LGMK is my sleeper pick. You had a volume spike back here to 397. And it's kind of coiling since and went out today at the highs. Only traded $1 million today. It's a sleeper pick, but I can't remember. I want to say earnings are like tomorrow or the next day. The earnings are really soon, so it might just be starting a pre-earnings run, which you see sometimes, right? ACOR had the big rip yesterday. Inside day today, we're looking for a third day setup there. CWH, big volume here, I believe on earnings. 25.40 is where it topped, and then today went out right at 25. It hit 25.40, went out at 36. So certainly over that area is an interesting spot. It also almost feels too obvious, but we'll see. It gives a clean setup. TRVN, big rip yesterday. Inside day today on much lower volume, so I'm looking for a third day play setup there. CXAI, I don't know how many days in a row I'm going to put something on bounce watch, but I've been watching it for a few days, so it didn't trigger, didn't give any kind of bounce play entry. Now it's below the 20-day, but I am going to watch that still, see if we get a bounce play setup. If the AI plays get moving, I'll look to this one for an A+ setup, but we'll see, right? Laser, LASR, had the big rip 3 sessions ago, and then you got a couple days lower on declining volume. So it stays on bounce watch, but it's worth noting only 245,000 shares traded all day. Kind of feels like nobody's watching it, but I'll put it on a chart anyway. TSN is Tyson Foods, the chicken folks. Couple nasty days in a row down. This is not a pretty chart. Let's see, there's weekly. These are weekly candles. So I don't know, is it headed down to these lows from 2020, 42 area? I don't know. But back to the daily, I'm just looking for, as a day trader, a snapback bounce setup, and it may come tomorrow and it may not. And then UPST is my last one. Nothing really interesting about this chart, other than it's trading at $20 in after hours. They had earnings and looking to be a big gap up tomorrow. So that's worth noting. And then this isn't on the list, but I'm just going to point out because I was looking at AB&B. It's trading at 113.75 right now. So big gap down. I was bidding around 110, 111 because the 200 days there, but it didn't quite get there. So anyway, maybe you want to watch that one as well, but it's not on my list. Then why are you mentioning it? Yeah, it's a fair question. I don't know. Just because I was watching it. All right, anyway, that's it. We'll add gappers, other gappers that we work together to find in the pre-market and hopefully catch some A+ trades tomorrow. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.